Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been roughly 2 weeks now since Vybz Kartel became a free man. Vybz Kartel's been busy doing a lot of interviews. We saw his first interview with Lisa Everest from Fox 5 News in the USA. And recently we saw him doing interviews in Jamaica, one with Anthony Miller, the ER interview. But Vybz Kartel confused a lot of Jamaicans yesterday when he went live and he bigged up the Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines, which is Ralph Gonsalves. I'm gonna give you a soundbite from the live that he went and we'll talk about it right after this.
You know it's Vybz Kartel, kicking it like Messi or Suarez, representing for Ralph Gonsalves, the Prime Minister, aka the Vincent world boss, the 5-star general. So let's see up to the time, Mr. Gonsalves, you know we wishing you a happy birthday from Vybz Kartel. Don't, oh, love them, tender touch them, different girl every day.
So that was the soundbite, and for my Jamaicans who are confused about who is Ralph Gonsalves and why would Vybz Kartel be shouting him out on his birthday. So Ralph Gonsalves is the Prime Minister, as I said, of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. He celebrated his 78th birthday on the 8th this week. And Ralph Gonsalves is the longest serving Prime Minister in the Caribbean. Actually, the only other leader in the Caribbean that's been in office or served office longer than Ralph was Fidel Castro. So he's been the Prime Minister since 2001. And I was in St. Vincent for my birthday a few months ago, and one of the things that is interesting about Ralph Gonsalves is that St. Vincent is a small, beautiful island. There's not a lot of billboards across the island, but wherever you go in St. Vincent, you'll see a picture of Ralph Gonsalves, like these big billboards of Ralph Gonsalves, and on it you will see Ralph Gonsalves, 5-star general, world boss. So I think what happened, Vybz Kartel, I don't know how Vybz Kartel, stayed in prison for 13 years and realized that there was another world boss in the Caribbean. So I think that's how we connected. Honestly, like, I'm a bit confused about the connection. Like, I know Ralph Gonsalves, aka Vincent world boss. He considers himself the world boss in politics, and I'm sure Vybz Kartel probably heard through the grapevine somehow that there's another world boss, and did his research and look him up. But I am just confused of like why did Vybz Kartel feel that he had to send birthday wishes. And I'm sure a lot of people in St. Vincent is kind of confused too, because election is coming up in St. Vincent, and I am sure a lot of people on the ground in St. Vincent is thinking that this is a political move. Like, this guy's been in office for this is what, 23 years? I think, yeah, 23 years in office for one leader. So, I don't know if it's a political move. I don't know if Vybz Kartel just read about him and decide that, okay, another world boss, and knew that it was his birthday and send him a birthday shout out. I'm not sure. But from one world boss to the next world boss, I don't know. But Ralph Gonsalves is a very interesting person, I should say. And one of the things, like, as I said, when I was there, his picture was everywhere. And one of the things I found interesting, like, on my way back from St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and I was in the airport in the departure lounge. When you look in the departure lounge, coming into the airport, there was a big picture of him on the wall. In the departure lounge, sitting down, there was a corridor with his picture, and there was there's picture of like Fidel Castro and picture of the past president of Venezuela. And I was standing there and I could overhear some people that was visiting talking about the picture, and they were like, why does he have Fidel and the Venezuelan president, the past Venezuelan president picture on the wall along with himself, and people were looking at the pictures and they were like, oh, this look like either like he's trying to be a dictator or something. So so it's a bit funny. So like if you're from St. Vincent, guys, just let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you feel like this is a political move? Do you think that election is coming up and somehow like he reached out to Vybz Kartel and Vybz Kartel just send a big up on his live? Or do you think it's just an admiration because Ralph Gonsalves consider himself the world boss? And for my Jamaicans that are confused, yeah, this is it. Ralph Gonsalves, the Prime Minister of St. Vincent and the Grenadines. So sound off in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this. Vybz Kartel, bigging up Ralph Gonsalves and sending out happy birthday. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content from the Caribbean. And remember, peace. I'm out.